The word design means different things to different people. Often it's associated with how things look. Often it's used as a noun, as in, that's a good design. But really, it's a verb. It's not an it, it's a how. It's a way of doing things. It's a way of thinking. And above all, it's a way of thinking creatively. Design and technology, in all their various forms and disciplines, are fundamentally about converting ideas and raw materials into the products and services that we all need and use every day of our lives. Everything around us has been designed, from the user interface of our latest digital app, to the car we drive, the clothes we wear, the buildings we visit or live or work in, much of the food and drink we consume, the TV programs we watch, even the deodorant we spray. They've all been designed. They've all been made. This has provided pupils of all ages with opportunities to explore ideas and to design and make things that solve problems. In doing this, they learn how to use tools and equipment to create designs and to work with a range of materials.
Design and technology is a phenomenally important subject. Logical, creative and practical, it's the only opportunity students have to apply what they've learned in maths and physics.
Design and technology teaches young people about creating and developing ideas and about how things are made. It gives them experiences of making and evaluating the things which they design and teaches them about the materials and technology from which products and services are made, along with the systems which make things work.
I enjoyed studying design and technology because I felt that it's more of a hands-on subject, so you get to choose what you're going to do. You get to design what you want to design, and whereas you don't get that in any other subject.
In maths and science there is always a right answer to everything, and that makes it quite difficult for lots of people like me who are creative based. Whereas design, technology and many other subjects to do with making, it's all about if it can help, then it's good and it's right. And if it doesn't work, then you just got to make it work.
I use on a daily basis skills that I first had exposure to at D&T at the age of 15 and younger. So I couldn't see how I could get here now, which is designing products that are sold internationally, without that first step of design technology.
I've been lucky enough to do a range of design projects or creative projects, from product, interior, digital experiences, and the thinking that I learned at design and technology at a young age is very much transferable to all those skills. So it's one of those subjects that is essential, and it's one of those subjects that can open a world of opportunity for the new generation of creatives and makers.
So there are great job opportunities for young people in these industries, and the opportunity to work in a rewarding environment in which creativity, imagination and innovation are highly valued. So career prospects are fantastic. But more than that, design and technology in schools gives fledgling scientists, engineers, linguists, lawyers and businessmen an experience of how the world works, of how things are made and how to think differently. Design and technology is a rigorous and challenging subject which builds a bridge between academic learning and its usefulness, relevance and application to the world. It also contributes to important life skills and personal qualities, such as teamwork, resourcefulness and risk-taking. All learning is reinforced by the successful application of knowledge, skills and understanding in many different contexts. And the design and technology curriculum provides lots of opportunities for literacy, numeracy, computer skills and scientific knowledge to be practically applied across all stages of education.
In our business, we have to come up with ideas. We need to solve the world's problems, and you need to think of ideas outside the box. You can't do what everyone else is doing. You need to come up with new ideas, new ways of doing things, new ways of solving things. And if people, in whatever industry they're in, if they don't appreciate how you change things, how you create things, then we're not going to solve our problems. We're going to have a load of people doing the same thing time and time again, and that's not what the world needs.
You see things and you say why, but a designer dreams things that never were and says, why not? We need the next generation of young designers, engineers and technologists to constantly ask that question, why not? To think differently, to question the status quo and to find solutions to problems. And our design and technology teachers across the country will illuminate their path ahead and fire the spark of their imaginations to create a better future, a future which is better by design.